Hello everyone. Hi, I'm recording this video to talk about the classic trading course of the CA Afzal Lokhandwala. Lockdown has of course given us a chance to spend some time at home, uh, you know, taking up topics which are of interest to you. Stock market being one of my interesting topics. Uh, I was very much keen to know about technical analysis because fundamental analysis is something that everyone knows about, and everyone talks about blue chip companies and everything, but technical analysis is something that I was always uh, keen to know about, but it was far out of my reach because it was always Latin and Greek for me. So I thought of reading about it, started looking at some videos and everything. That's where I got in touch with Afzal Lokhandwala's one of the videos, and from there I went into the free videos, got to know about psychology, got to know about risk management, got to know about his training course also. So before that, of course, I had some few other options which I was looking into, but here I found the genuinity where I did see that the fees option, we also had an option where you could pay the fees to, in terms of transferring that money to an NGO as a donation, and that will be treated as a fees for this course. So that really impressed me. Second was he never shied away from posting his failures, the trade failures, on any of his social media channels, which usually is rare to see. So that was again a plus for me. And apart from that, the course content, I would say, the pattern in which the entire course is structured was also good. We had two options, of course. One is directly getting into the trade along with him, and the other one is learning it the hard way, which is the classic trading course, which makes you a person where you can clearly understand what exactly is technical analysis all about. I would say that this has helped me a lot in terms of understanding what bar charts are, what resistance, what support is, the importance of the resistance and support, what is EMA, what is rejecting candle, what is your timelines, what are patterns, what are positional trades, what are swing trades, what is actually intraday. Otherwise, I used to only have understanding of intraday, and the other one is normally a fundamental trade. Today, I find there is a lot of difference between all these things, uh, and this is about it. Yeah, matlab, it is a great thing to learn on this platform, and I have done some dummy trades which were successful. I'm yet to start with actual trading, which sooner or later in the next week or so I've been planning to start. Because of the busy schedule, I'm not able to do that, and that has taken me some time for this course also. I'm almost enrolled this course a month and a half back, and here I am completing the entire course, and have in fact completed it twice, I would say, because of the recorded videos which is saved with you. So hope for the best, and thanks a lot, Afzal, for training us in this simpler manner, and please keep spreading this knowledge. I appreciate your efforts and the work here. Thank you.